If you're considering the GFW148SSMWW, it's probably because you need a vented set of compact laundry. In this video, you'll learn the best features and, more importantly, better alternatives in full-size and compact machines. There are 14 cycles and 9 options, as well as multiple wash-rinse options. You have steam functionality in the washer to lift and power tough stains as well. You don't find steam in many compact washers. GE is also one company that won't completely abandon you after the sale. They still have their own service department, which is important if you're buying from a store without service, which you probably are. Lastly, you're buying the GE because it's one of the few compacts that didn't fail the UL test of keeping fire contained in the drum for a specified period in a vented application. But you have far better options pretty much everywhere else. First question I would ask is if you need a compact. At this price of $18.98, you could buy a very good full-size vented set and have $700 left over. Remember, a typical full-size washer and dryer will be 38 inches tall by 27 wide by 30.5 inches deep as its smallest versus 34 high, 24 wide, and 24 inches deep for a compact model. Your option is a vented heat pump. Heat pumps will save you $100 to $150 a year in energy costs by recirculating air with a compressor heating air through an air exchanger with an evaporator removing the moisture. Vented dryers consistently pull air from the room, heat it with old-fashioned elements, and then expel that heat through your vent. Heat pumps are the same size as the G and will save you money every time you use it. However, they cost more than the G with names like Miele and Bosch, and you have to close that vent in your house. Bad news is if your space is only 24 inches and you have to vent, you may have G as one of your only options. But if it isn't, check this video for the best full-size laundry or this one for the best compact laundry, and thanks for watching.